This week, I'm in the great British outdoors to bring you some eco-friendly gadgets that might just add a little bit of home comfort to your camping experience. Now, it might not look like it right now with my baked beans, but I'm a man who lives a wild and dangerous lifestyle. Yeah, I'm a man on the go. And when I need my caffeine hit, I need my caffeine hit. I don't care whether there's not a kettle around for miles. I'll find a way. This might look like a rocket, but it's actually a solar kettle. Now, it does take a while to get going. The temperature now is just coming up to 90 degrees, which is good, but we've had it open for a good 2.5 hours, which is a long time to wait for a cup of tea or coffee. But perhaps you're at a festival which doesn't allow campfires, then having this nearby is a good way of knowing that a hot cuppa isn't far away. Right, it's a good thing that I got that solar power energy when I needed it, because in true British fashion, it's starting to rain. But that won't stop me having my coffee. I will have a double espresso. Cheers.